A better you starts today. How do you feel when you wake up? Do you feel refreshed and ready to take on the world? Or do you feel groggy and tired? Do you jump out of bed, ready for the day? Excited to see what new opportunities await you? Or do you hit snooze a few times, wishing you could stay in bed just a little longer? A good morning routine can change your whole day. Imagine starting your day with some gentle yoga, followed by a nutritious breakfast. It's like a secret recipe for success. Writing down your thoughts and organizing your space can set a positive tone for the day. When you start your day with healthy habits, you feel better. You have more energy. You feel more alive and ready to tackle any challenges. You can focus on work and school, your mind is clear, and you can concentrate better. Imagine feeling calm and happy all day. Meditation and a peaceful walk can help you achieve that. A good morning routine can make that happen. Following a checklist ensures you don't miss any important steps. It can help you feel less stressed too. Simple breathing exercises and a moment of relaxation can make a big difference. Are you ready to unlock your best self? Let's discover how. Embrace these habits and watch your life transform. Move your body, wake up your mind. Starting your day with some movement can set a positive tone for the rest of your day. First things first, get your body moving. Whether it's a full workout or just a few simple stretches, getting active in the morning can boost your energy levels. You don't need to run a marathon. Even light exercises can make a big difference. Just a few stretches in bed will do. These gentle movements can help you transition from sleep to wakefulness. Stretching wakes up your muscles. It prepares your body for the day ahead. It gets your blood flowing. Increased circulation can help you feel more alert and ready to tackle your tasks. You'll feel more awake and ready for the day. A little bit of movement can go a long way in boosting your mood and productivity. Next, drink a big glass of water. Hydration is key to starting your day right. Your body gets thirsty at night. Replenishing fluids first thing in the morning is essential. Water hydrates you and helps you think clearly. It can improve your focus and overall well-being. Now let's get some fresh air. Fresh air can invigorate your senses and clear your mind. Open your windows and take a deep breath. Breathing in fresh air can help you feel more connected to the world around you. Even a 5-minute walk can make a big difference. A short stroll can elevate your mood and set a positive tone for the day. The breakfast of champions. Really, never skip breakfast. It's the most important meal of the day. Think of breakfast as fuel for your body and brain. Choose healthy foods like fruits, oatmeal, or eggs. A good breakfast gives you energy for hours. It helps you concentrate better in school or at work. Plus, when you eat a healthy breakfast, you're less likely to snack on junk food later. Section 4. A calm mind for a productive day. Did you know that your morning routine can affect your mental health? It's true. Take a few minutes each morning to do something relaxing. You can try deep breathing exercises or listen to calming music. This helps reduce stress and anxiety. You'll feel more in control and ready to face any challenge. A calm mind is a focused mind. You'll be more productive and get more done. Section 5. Feeling good, inside and out. How amazing does it feel to accomplish something? A morning routine gives you a sense of accomplishment. You've started the day on a positive note. This boosts your self-esteem and confidence. When you feel good on the inside, it shows on the outside. You'll smile more and people will notice your positive energy. Remember, taking care of yourself is important. A healthy morning routine is a gift you give yourself every day. Section 6. Your best day starts tonight. This is where the magic begins. So, are you ready to create your own amazing morning routine? It all starts with a single step. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Jot down your goals and visualize your success. Start by setting your alarm clock 15 minutes earlier. This simple adjustment can give you a head start. Use that extra time for stretching or a quick walk. Feel the fresh air and let it energize you. Prepare your breakfast the night before to save time. Overnight oats or a smoothie can be a great option. Lay out your workout clothes or your favorite book. This way, you're ready to jump into action or relaxation. The key is to find what works best for you. Whether it's meditation or journaling, make it your own. Listen to your body and your mind. Tune into what you need to start your day right. Make a commitment to yourself to start tomorrow. Write it down and hold yourself accountable. Your best day starts tonight. Establish a calming nighttime routine to set the tone for the next day. Read a book, listen to soothing music, or simply reflect on your day. Turn off the lights and get a good night's sleep. Wake up feeling refreshed and ready to conquer the day. Remember, your best day truly starts tonight.